talk about how to add additional candidates to a job and how to use our search. First of all, we're looking at the Java developer role from the previous video. AI Recruiter has imported around 408 candidates so far from LinkedIn. It can take some time if these are fresh profiles until we've received all the details and then also analyzed each and every profile. Now, if you are happy with the amount of candidates, then you can start using a search. But before I get there, I want to talk about how would you be able to add additional candidates to a job. Now, we've got this Add Candidates button. Once you press it, you see various options. Now, the first option is the one that we used when we created the job, which is we're running a search based on these search criteria on LinkedIn, and you can configure here a candidate count, like how many candidates you want. Now, if this search is not really working for you, or you want more control over which candidates get imported, then you might find the import search results functionality useful. How this works is you will go to your LinkedIn account. This can be the normal LinkedIn search, the Sales Navigator UI, or the LinkedIn Recruiter and LinkedIn Recruiter Lite UI. You can perform a search in there and narrow down all the candidates that you want. Once you're happy with that, you copy and paste the URL into this field. Please note that we need this to be a saved search for Sales Navigator and Recruiter Lite and LinkedIn Recruiter. Now, once you copy and paste the URL in here, you define the start and end pages that you want to be imported. You would select the account that you've used in LinkedIn to search, and then you click on Add. Once it's done, we will import these results into AI Recruiter and add them to this job. You can also import single profiles if that's of interest. And another option is we also have a growing database of candidates within AI Recruiter. So you can also use this feature to add candidates to your campaign. Advantage is that this doesn't involve going to LinkedIn, and the data will be much quicker added to your job. Now, this brings in our search. Also in this field, you will see this text box called filters, which is in the end a search filter that you can use to narrow down which candidates you would like from our global database. In this particular case, I can search, for instance, for candidates with the Java skill. If you want people that have Java as a skill. Now it finds 2,152 candidates. I can select all and add them. Then they get added to my existing candidates to this job. Now I want to talk a bit more about the search. To do that, I'm going to go back to the job and we're going to look at the results. Now in this field, you can write a search. The way the search works, it's a bit similar to like a query language where you can use certain aspects of a profile and then define criteria. So for instance, you could say, we're looking for people that have a particular skill. This could be, for instance, for a Java developer Spring, and also expect them to have Hibernate skills in their profile. Once I click search, it will just return me all the people who have both listed in their profile. Now the search here has lots of other aspects you can search on. You can search on the skill, you can search based on their current position, previous position, their current location, what sort of contract they currently have, what contract they had in the past, how long they've been in the current role, how many years of total experience they have, the account they're connected to, their gender, the current employer, previous employers, and we also have a tags field which we use for things like you can search, for instance, for candidates who currently are open to work and add this into the tags field. If there's then we have the employer type, the industry. We also do a best effort analysis if the candidate might have security clearance. If there's anything missing of interest you want us to add in here, please let us know. This was the video. Thank you. Bye.